guys, welcome back to my channel and to my subscribers. Thanks so much for following along. Today we're going to be making spicy ramen soup. So come along with me and I'll show you how to make it.
Today I'm showing you the easiest way to level up boring instant ramen into something seriously spicy, creamy, and addictive. All you need is 1 pack of instant ramen with a seasoning packet, sriracha, or your favorite hot sauce, 1 egg, and some fresh green onion. Let's do this! Start by boiling the water and cooking the ramen noodles to whatever texture you love. I usually go about 3 minutes for the perfect chew. Once they're done, drain out some of the water, leave more if you want it soupy, or drain most of it if you want it thicker, saucier to finish. Turn the heat way down to low, dump in the seasoning packet, and stir it through so every noodle gets coated. Now crack in 1 egg right into the pot. Keep stirring consistently for about 60 seconds. You'll see the gorgeous silky egg ribbons form and mix into the ramen. Ooh, it's so good. Next, hit it with the sriracha. I usually put 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on how spicy I'm feeling that day. Finally, sprinkle on a bunch of fresh diced green onions for the pop of color and the crunch. I hope you enjoy!